Good morning, children. So please open your page number 70 of your grammar book. The chapter 12, the name of the chapter is Subject Verb Agreement. So seeing the subject, we are going to adjust the verb here in a simple language, if I can say. So here we are going to see that singular with the singular, just now what we have seen till yet, that with the singular subject we are using the singular verb. But here there are certain rules which we are going to learn under this subject verb agreement. Like just example, we are taking the, suppose we are taking he is fine. So he is one person, so we are using singular verb. So this is a simple sentence which we are already knowing. They, so they are means we are talking about many people. So many people means we are using the plural, that is they are. They are, they were, we can say. Plural forms means we can use. With I, we always use am. So these are the things we already know in the basic classes, but today we are going to learn something else. So in the subject verb agreement, we need to know certain cases, like case number 1. If in your sentences, if you get and, if certain things are joined by and, when two or more subject, we are talking about two or more subject and they both the subjects are joined by and, then what kind of verb we will use? We will use plural verb. As for example, 5 cow, this is the first subject, 3 pig, second subject, and both the subjects are joined by and. So here this rule we are going to follow, that we are going to use are, not is. Second rule, when we are talking about two or more subject, again we are talking about two or more subject, and if the subject is joined by or not. Situation 1, situation number 2 are both same, but only replacement is of and or nor. So if we will get or not, we will use singular verb, that is neither Satish nor Pranav is happy, means we are talking about only one subject. So here two or more subjects are there, but the condition is here the or nor is used, that is why we are using the singular form of verb. Now here the next case number 3 or condition 3, we can say collective nouns that we have studied in the basic classes, maybe singular or plural form depending on the use of the sentences. Means for the collective nouns we can use singular also, plural also, but it will depend upon what kind of cases we have. Like the orchestra is sensational tonight. Orchestra is a collective noun. So we are talking about orchestra is a means we are a band of music. Means we are talking about many music things. So it will is. The orchestra were asked to introduce themselves. Here we can say refer to the individual member of orchestra. The orchestra were asked to introduce themselves, means one by one. Suppose someone is playing the flute, he will be introducing. Someone is playing piano, another person will be introducing. So it is, we are talking about individual, not collectively. So here are two different cases we can see in the book. Now point number 4 is, there are some noun look plural in form but they are singular in meaning. For example, mathematics, S. So generally we identify S as a plural form, but here mathematics, it is a single subject. Mathematics is my favorite. It looks plural but it is singular, so don't get confused. Case number 5, if two subjects together express one single idea. The subjects are two, just bread and jam. So bread and jam cannot be separated, we take it collectively, bread and jam. So it is singular. The bread and jam was her favorite, is her favorite. We can use past or present. Many indefinite pronouns such as we can say each, every, someone, no one, anyone, everyone, etc. These are the singular in form and singular plural in meaning. All of them take a singular verb. Whenever you get each, every, someone, no one, anyone, everyone, etc. in the sentences, we have to use a singular form of verb. Like everyone means we are talking about collectively, all the people. Is, someone means out of these people there are some people, so we are using singular form of verb. Words like some, any, all, most, etc. may be singular or plural depending upon their use in the sentences. It can be both singular or plural. Again, some of the news was shocking, not all. Some means out of 10 news there might be 1 or 2 shocking. It is singular you can use. Some of the teachers are really young. So we are talking about teachers, means out of many teachers some are young. All of the all of the chi was used in the recipe. So here we can see on the basis of singular and plural, it is not necessary that in every sum, in everywhere the sum, any, all, almost the words are used, we can use the singular or plural. Depends upon the what kind of meaning is coming out from that particular situation or from the particular sentence. Now for the time, for distance, for money, for measurement, all these things we are considering singular form. 15 days, so we are considering singular. 500 where we can be measured, where we can count. So these all things will be used with the singular form of verb. So first of all, what you have to do is today, just to take out your grammar copy and you write these all points giving case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4 or rule 1, rule 2 we can. It is better you write rule 1, rule 2. So all 8 rules you will write with one example each given in the book. Go through these all rules and try to understand what is explained in the video. If any doubt regarding the rules, please give a comment in the comment box. And in the next video, next class, we will be explaining about the exercises which is given in the book. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.